Hi friendrinos, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, just quick reminder in the beginning to maybe subscribe and check out some of my other videos after this. Anyway, so here we have part 2 to, well, not really part 2 because it's going to be like a big ol' series, but like the second part of the long-awaited drawing your OCs. I've had a lot of people ask me to draw theirs. And so if I haven't gotten to yours yet, I'll definitely get to it soon. I'm kind of planning on this being like a bi-weekly thing, meaning that like I'll do it every other week, which I've tried to do, but obviously we're here 4 weeks later and it hasn't happened until now. So I'm going to try to go bi-weekly. It probably won't work, but yeah. So submit your characters if you want them drawn to my email, chocolatemilk@gmail.com. And if I see it, I'll reply right away and tell you, like, you know, this is a really cool character. Or if I don't see it, just like email me again a few days later just so I see it. So yeah, let's get started. I have 3 here. And so friendrinos, thank you so much for watching. I just recorded this end thing and I rambled a lot, which will probably happen again, but like hopefully it will be better. Anyway, so if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, share this video with your friends so I can get more entries for this, because these types of videos are so much fun to make, and I can't wait to do more. So, bye!